Hello, I am here today to work on our beginning sounds. I have my sounds set up in a way that shows groupings: a, p, t, s, m, k, f. Let's see if they're all in my box. A, that's a vowel. I'm looking for one of the blue cards. A, a, a. Aw. Aw is a vowel as well. Aw. Like this. Aw. Aw. P. That's so sad. The sandpaper letters are for our fingers, not for writing. We write on paper. Our sandpaper letters show us how to make our letters. P. 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 T. T. Mm. 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 K. And f. F. Okay. So now I have all of my sandpaper letters. A, p, s, t, m, s, k. I have all of my sandpaper letters. And inside of my box, that is also marked number 1, I have some of my movable alphabet letters. And we're going to see if we can match our sounds. F. F. Mm. Mm. T. T. Aw. Looks a little bit different, but they're both those circles. This just has the connectors on it. Aw. K. P. A. S. My vowels are blue. Those are those middle sounds. The vowel is different than the consonant. It's often used as a connecting letter, but sometimes it's also at the start of words. But that's why they're blue, because they're called vowels. And the pink or red parts are consonants. Now I have my objects. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. At the beginning of strawberry, I hear the sound S. So I'm going to put my strawberry with the sound S. 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 Strawberry. S. Frog. F. F. Frog. Tiger. T. Tiger. Tiger. Monkey. Monkey. He's cute. He's got a long tail. Monkey. Monkey. I'm going to lay him down so you guys can see him. Monkey. Tiger. Octopus. 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 Cat. 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 Pan. Pan. Cook in a pan. Pan. Apple. Apple. I have matched all of my movable alphabet sounds to my sandpaper letters and the objects that sound like my letters. S, strawberry. K, cat. F, frog. Apple. Octopus. Monkey. Tiger. Pot. These are beginning sounds, my set 1, with a, p, a, p, t, s, k, and f. I am done with my work, so I am going to put it away. S, k, f, t, p, and a. Strawberry, cat, frog, monkey, tiger, pan, apple, octopus. Closing the lid on my box. M, k, a, and ah. These are my beginning sounds in set 1.